Hi submarine friends. Well, you probably can notice that I'm in a different shop today. So this is my shop where I do all my welding and fabricating. It's 110 feet from my house, so it's pretty close. So anyways, what I'm doing is I'm cutting the stock to make the reinforcing ring that's missing in the front section of the hull. This is 7/16 thick and by 2.5 inches wide, and I need 12 feet to go all the way around twice. So I do it in 6-foot pieces, and then I just do 2 halves. So what I do is I just put this in my 50-ton press on edge like this, and the press just comes down and it bends it so easy. It's unbelievable. That press is amazing, especially since it's just homemade out of stuff I had laying around here. Anyway, so I just have to cut these out, grind them, and then they're ready to bend and weld into place. I ran out of oxygen, so I have to stop. Tomorrow I'm going to see the tax man in town, so I'll pick up some oxygen tomorrow. I'm really lucky. I needed 200-pound propane tanks, so I went to the dump to look for some. Sure enough, I found 2 tanks, and one of them is a quarter full. So I'm using that to cut this steel now. And I use it for the tiger torch to melt the snow off. And it also heats up the shop a little bit. You can just see my breath. So it's actually really nice in here. This is actually perfect weather and temperature for doing this, especially when I start welding. So I just preheat everything with a tiger torch, get it good and hot. And the nice thing is when it's this kind of temperature, the duty cycle of the welder increases a bit because of the cooling effect from the colder air with the fan. So that's all pretty good. So I'm on track. I'm a little bit behind because my skid steer broke down in here. The darn solenoid for the park brake wouldn't release. It's actually a common problem for these things. So I'm going to order a new one today, but I just took it out and bypassed it, so now I have no park brake. But at least I was able to clean up the shop with it and get this beam. Actually, I used my excavator to get this beam in here. So that's it for today. I wish I didn't run out of oxygen. I could have got this all cut today, but no big deal. I got nothing but time. So that's it for today. Ciao.